Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of my certified pre-owned vehicle pick of the week, the 2016 Chevy Equinox LT. This all-wheel drive vehicle has 60,279 miles on it and has never been reported in any accidents. It comes with a 2.4 liter four-cylinder engine, your back tinted windows, and 17-inch aluminum wheels. Now, when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have a jet black cloth mesh seating with a red lining throughout the entire vehicle. When it comes to the front, we have our Chevy MyLink radio, heated seating on both sides, your push to talk, and standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.